Holy everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome back. This is going to be kind of a review, box opening, first cook with our Weber charcoal heat controller. I guess it's kind of like a vortex, and it has this ring. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we got here. Comes with a ring. Okay, comes with a ring. Put that over here. We got our manual, and I guess this part here is inside the box. It's kind of expecting it to be one whole piece, but let's take a look. Go. Okay. Now, we're not going to read the manual, of course. What man in his good mind does, only when we get into trouble. So these look like they go together, and from the videos that I've seen on it, it's really just that simple. Now guys, I was going to get a Vortex, but I caught this on sale. Got 15% off, and I figured, you know, I have a Weber. Why not? If you're gonna have a Weber, why not have a Weber thing? Boom, guys, that's it. Real easy. It goes in. It just kind of goes in. Flip it up, and it pops in. I don't think I'll be taking this apart ever. It seems pretty sturdy too. And the last one we're gonna do here. I'll do this side first. And let's get this kind of ready to go in. Come on. Let's put this one in all the way first. And that's it. The last one was a little tricky. And I guess this is the side that goes down. Our manual. And there we go. So I guess if you want high heat, you put all your charcoals here, and you start the charcoals going around this way to get a slow and low. Low and slow, slow and low. Okay. I guess it should work, right? We'll do two of them. So we're outside, we got our chimney going, and we got our chicken wings, and we're not doing anything special. But let me show you something. What do you guys do when you see a chicken wing that looks like this? I don't know if you can see it. It looks like it's all beat up and bloody. This goes in the garbage. I don't eat this. I don't know if you guys see that. That's going in the garbage. All right, so we're not gonna beat this up too much. We're just gonna go right on top with half is gonna get this Weber All-American, and the other half is gonna get Traeger's pork and poultry rub. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and rub these down and then head back outside. Down, and great. Okay, you guys got a bad view. Look at that. All right, I'm getting my old tongs. Okay, this thing is not full. I don't think I'm going to fill it up. All right, so we got a grate here that has a hole in it. Let's see what temperature we got. What kind of temperature we got? Now, my bottom And the top is going to be open all the way. And we're going to see what we settle down to. And this thing is climbing. Look at that, guys. We're going to see what this settles down around. I'm going to put my rice on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go in with some apple wood. Now we're just going to kind of wait for this to catch. This way we have like some good clean smoke. If we went and just go ahead and put that down, it would be dirty smoke and it wouldn't taste so good. So now we're going to let this just come up to temp. And see where we settle around. It's been about a minute or so. I ran in and got some avocado oil, and then our temperature is like around 440, 442. So we're just gonna go ahead and wipe our grates down. We don't want our chicken to stick, and then we get to remove any soot or anything that's on the grates. It just helps. It helps a little bit because we didn't put any oil or anything on our chicken. We just went straight with the seasoning. All right, so that's done. And down we go with our chicken. The chicken on the right there, that's going to be the one with the Traeger rub. And the one on the left is the Weber. You guys, we really are keeping this simple. This is just a quick, easy weeknight meal. And so far, this is a pretty simple setup. Now look at this, guys. Look at this thing climb. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. And we haven't opened this thing. We're going to just go ahead and take a peek. I have a feeling it's going to be done. Oh, look at that. Guys, 20 minutes. This is done. This is almost like frying chicken. Let's take a look in. Let's move in. Take a look. These are the Traeger rub wings with the Traeger seasoning. And these are the Weber. The Weber has a little bit more sugar in it. I think the granules were bigger. I don't know, it depends on which one you like. If you like a little singed, it's good. Guys, we're coming in at 205, 204. Guys, these are done. These are right where I like to take my wings. Anything less, they get a little, chewy on you. This is going to be perfect. Look at that, guys. Wonderful. All right, so now we're back inside. Let's do a little flyover. These are the Traeger. These are the Weber. Yeah, guys, these are delicious. 20 minutes. The only thing that I would say is, let's take a look at the back side of this. And maybe I should have flipped. Come out, flip. The back side could be a little bit more, I guess, caramelized. Guys, here's our plate. Gonna take a nice little taste here. I know. Yep. Oh, guys, nice, juicy, delicious. Gotta try this. 20 minutes. We got barbecue chicken wings. Yep. All right, here we go. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other videos and let's get cooking.